If you want to change keyboard language on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, then first of all, we're gonna go to Settings, and in here we're gonna choose System, then go to Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, and then choose Gboard because this is the default keyboard that we use on our phone. And over here we have languages. Of course, we can add a new language by choosing Add Keyboard, and over here we can choose the language that we wish to add. So let's say I'm going to choose Polish over here. Now in this case we can also choose the layout, whichever layout we want to use. There's also multilingual typing available. I'm just going to turn it off actually, and then we can press done in the bottom right corner. And now we have added a new language, and you should be able to switch it on the keyboard. You can also tap on this pen icon in the top right corner in order to select languages that you want to remove. After selecting a language, you can tap on this trash icon in the top right corner. You can also grab by these lines on the right side in order to change the order of these languages. But if you want to stick with more than one language, and if you want to switch between languages, then once you open your keyboard, you should be able to find this globe icon, which is immediately highlighted once you go and open the keyboard for the first time after adding another language. So you can tap on this globe icon in order to switch between languages, which are displayed on the spacebar. You can see which language is being used after changing. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.